evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urges people to light candles on Sunday evening to display collective spirit to defeat COVID-19. Meghalaya government credits rupees 1,000 into the bank accounts of 10,000 labourers in the state. Meghalaya government accords a sanction of more than 26 crore for the procurement of 1.17 lakh quintals of rice. And Meghalaya PHE department sanitizes different villages to combat spread of COVID-19. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has urged the countrymen to switch off lights of their homes on Sunday at 9 p.m. for 9 minutes and light up diyas, candles or mobile flashlights to display the nation's collective spirit to defeat coronavirus. In a video message this morning, the Prime Minister also said that people should maintain social distancing, stay indoors and not form groups while lighting up lamps. Modi said people displayed unprecedented discipline and sense of service during the ongoing nationwide coronavirus lockdown, while adding that the country has to move towards light from the darkness created by coronavirus. Meghalaya government has credited rupees 1,000 into the bank accounts of 10,000 labourers of the 27,000 registered with the state government. Talking to DD News, the Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that till date they have credited the amount directly to the bank accounts of 10,000 labourers, and similar benefits would be given to the other labourers who have registered after they came forward to submit the necessary documents. Tinsong, who is also in charge of Labour Department, further informed that the government has also released other benefits like education reimbursement to the bank accounts of the labourers.
Okay.
Whoever, suppose now if they furnish late, so they will receive late.
Okay.
The amount they receive late. Those who furnish the documents on time, and then that's what I'm saying, they have already received it. We have already transferred the money to their respective account. This is for the 3 weeks lockdown.
With the objective of addressing the shortage of essential commodities in the open market, especially rice, the Meghalaya government on Thursday accorded a sanction of rupees 26.38 crore for the procurement of 1.17 lakh quintals of rice from the open market scale scheme domestic to be procured from the Food Corporation of India (FCI). Food and Civil Supplies Minister James P.K. Sangma told reporters that the state government is presently coordinating and communicating with Food Corporation of India, and this rice will be made available to the Deputy Commissioners of each respective districts once it is lifted from the FCI godown. Food and Civil Supplies Minister also informed that the state government have also taken up the NAFAD of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs for the allocation of 5,553.64 quintals of pulses, especially Masoor Dal, for distribution among the targeted TDPS beneficiaries.
Honorable Chief Minister has accorded a sanction of rupees 26 crores 38 lakhs 75,500 for the procurement of 1,17,278 quintals of rice from the scheme which is called the Open Market Sale Scheme. And this sale scheme we would have to lift from the FCI godowns, and FCI is allowing us to lift this amount of quintals against payment, and this will be basically utilized for 2 months and will be made available to the deputy commissioner to the deputy commissioners of each respective district, and will then be further on made available to the open market.
As part of the initiative to prevent the spread of COVID-19, the Public Health Engineering (PHE) departments through the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin have carried out the exercise to sanitize the market areas, primary health centers and government offices across the state by spraying disinfectants. The PHE department has taken up the exercise with the support of the Shillong and Tura Municipal Board. Talking to DD News here today, PHE Minister Samlin Malnyang informed that they have started the exercise exercise since last week. The PHE minister is also hopeful that they will be able to combat the coronavirus to a large extent.
Kumbalong mentang ngilale ang Shillong, kapsor barok ngilale like nagi cakap municipal, bat ngilale ru sepo ki cakap nong kentong, kum ka soyong, kum cakaro hills ila bon teli ki bentah ngilale, haki PHC, ki CHC, bat ki sub center, bat ki cakayo, bat ki parking lot kali, bat ki cakap dukan ngilale, bat cakli riak ru ngilale, bat capo nong po ru mentah cari boy ru ngilap persang benle. Bagi nak pak lut la ai ke instruction ba mende ben le tak sisakan ni le lut barok oi ke state ya ke ai ke ba ilun kam ngendang penbuat terter.
When people across the world are trying to cope up with the shortage of essential commodities for existence, the plight of the unspoken animals has not been forgotten. From US to India, people have gone forward to feed the stray animals, and Meghalaya is no exception. Displaying love for the animals in Shillong, a group of individuals who runs Stray Animal Rescue Society (SARS) has been doing a yeoman service for the welfare of the stray animals. Packed food loaded in cars, members of the SARS goes around the identified spots of the city to feed the hungry strays. Speaking to DD News Shillong, brainchild of SARS, Tesnia Maulong, said that it is important not to forget the strays as they coexist along with the humans.
In the time of lockdown, like each community can at least just like they have these seng balang and all the guys. So they can come and volunteer for us, or they can volunteer within themselves also in their own locality to provide food for the strays. So just give them one-time food also, it's enough.
Amidst the transmission of the pandemic coronavirus COVID-19, the West Jayanti Hills Police has observed that there is a need to spread awareness among the general public about the cause, manner of transmission and the preventive measures. At present, the paralegal volunteers of West Jayanti Hills District have volunteered as health volunteers and are also assisting the public in getting the various welfare schemes that is launched in the help of the needy. DLSA have received reports from paralegal volunteers that there is a need to spread awareness through distribution of pamphlets and posters. Extending their support to the unprivileged people in the state at the time of global pandemic due to COVID-19, Shillong Nepali MAHILA SAMITI distributed essential items at various locations in the city. Speaking to DD News, the president of the Samiti, Sumitra Pradhan, said that since the entire country is under lockdown and the deprived people are facing various difficulties, the Samiti has decided to offer free essential items to these people.
There are so many families, they are suffering, they are having these difficulties. We are giving rice, dal, potatoes, salt, and if potato is finished, we are providing black gram.
And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us, and from all of us here, it's good night.